Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to archive jobs to keep your jobs list page organized and how to unarchive them in just seconds. If your jobs list is cluttered with closed, filled, or on hold roles, this feature is for you. First, navigate to the job list page. The key thing to understand is that archiving does not delete a job. It simply moves the job out of your All Jobs view and into the Archive Jobs view. The job, its history, its data, and all assigned candidates remain fully intact. A job also stays archived for as long as you want, until you choose to manually unarchive it. There are two methods for archiving a job. The first method is from the list page. Select the jobs you want to archive, and once you've selected the specific jobs, click the Archive button in the bulk action bar. If you don't see the Archive button right away, click on More, and you'll find it in the list of options. After you select Archive, a confirmation pop-up appears with two optional checkboxes. Close job on external job board. Check this if the job has a sponsored campaign on LogicMelon or Broadbean, which are two external job board integrations. Selecting this box closes the external listings immediately, so the role no longer appears on those sites. Note that this action is irreversible. Next is the Disable Job Application form. Check this if you want to stop new applications from coming in right away. This turns off the form from your career page, and the job will no longer be visible on your website. Leave either box unchecked if you'd prefer to keep those active for now, then click on Archive Job to confirm. The selected jobs are now moved from your All Jobs page to the Archive Jobs view. The second method to archive a job is by opening the specific job you'd like to archive. From the Jobs Detail page, click on the three-dot menu on the Job Actions and select Archive Job. You'll see the same confirmation pop-up with the two checkbox options we just covered. Once you've made your selection, click on Archive Job to finish. Once your jobs have been archived, they no longer appear in the list view. To view all of your archive jobs, click on the Quick View button in the top left corner of your screen, then click on Archive Jobs View. Here, you'll be able to see all the jobs you have archived. To unarchive a job, simply bulk select the jobs you want to unarchive and click on the Unarchive button. You can also do this from the Jobs Detail page by opening a specific job, clicking on the three dots menu, and selecting Unarchive Job. This brings the job back to the Jobs list page. One important thing to note is that unarchiving restores the job visibility and status and brings the job back to the All Jobs page, but it does not automatically reverse the two checkbox actions from earlier. If you close the listing on the external job board or disabled the application form while archiving, you'll need to manually reopen the listing or re-enable the form after unarchiving the job. And that's how you archive and unarchive jobs in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the chatbot in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching.